Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the very important property of triangle, and this is known as the BPT theorem, or which is known as basic proportionality theorem. Now, when I am saying basic proportionality theorem, it means all the things will either increase in the proportion or they will decrease in the proportion. If I take the example of any triangle ABC, and I am saying that I am looking at this triangle by a magnifying glass of 2, that is, every side will be twice. So this AB will become twice of AB. If the length of this AB is 5, then the length of this AB will automatically become 10. If the length of AC is 7, then how much this will become? The length of this AC will become 14. Because if the length of ABC is double, then the length of AC is also double. Now the question is, what is the length of BC if here the length of BC is 8? Definitely, if this is double, the length of AC is double, then the length of BC will also get double and it will become 16. So, if we magnify something to double the part, so all the things will become double. Or we are saying that if in case we diminish it by half, or all the sides will become half. Suppose AB comes out to be the value as 2.5, which is half of 5. Then AC will automatically become 3.5 and BC will automatically become 4. Because we are either magnifying all the sides in the same proportion, either it is increasing or it is decreasing. Now, let us take an example of a triangle where the sides of triangle are given as 10, 15 and 20. Now, we know that the proportion or the ratio of AB is to the ratio of AC is 2:3. If in case we take it as 10 and 15, this actually becomes 2:3. So, when the ratio of the side of AB and AC is 2:3, it means that if we take a point which is 2 centimeters from a point A and we write it as E, we take a point on AC which is 3 centimeters from A and we take this point as F. So, we are taking a point on AB and AC in the ratio in which they are already existing in the ratio of 2:3 and we join this line. Then this line is definitely parallel to this line. Same way, if in case instead of 2, we take a length of 4 centimeter, another 2 centimeter, we know 2:3 is also equals to 4:6, as we know that the multiple of a ratio will remain the same. So, if we take a point G where AG is equals to 4 centimeter and we take a point here H where AH is equals to 6 centimeter, then also the ratio of AG and AH is 2:3, and if we join again these 2 points, then this line is also parallel to this line as well as parallel to this line. Same way, if in case we make another line where AL, this point is L and this point is M, and we know the length of AL is 8 centimeter. Length of AL is 8 centimeter. So, in the same ratio, we can say actually 8 is basically the 80% of 10. Or if in case we take this as a value 8, then this will automatically become 12. And AM is having a value as 12 centimeter. Again, the ratio of AL is to AM becomes 2:3. Then also the LM is parallel to BC and parallel to GH as well as EF. All these lines, when we keep on going down in the same ratio, all these lines will become parallel to each other. On the other hand, we understand that if in case instead of 10 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, so this is squeezed by 20%. Squeezed on 20% value. From 15, we are coming to a 0.3, so this is also squeezed by 20% of the value. Definitely the value of this will also squeeze to 20%. So 20% of 20 is basically 4. Or I am saying when the ratio of this side to this side and this side is 10 is to 15 is to 20. This is AB is to AC is to BC. That actually means the ratio becomes 2 is to 3 is to 4. So they will be squeezed out in the ratio of 2 is to 3, and they will also magnify in the same ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. So this is known as basic proportionality theorem, and a particular case of this theorem is also known as midpoint theorem, which actually says that if there is a point which is in between of these 2 points, this is a length 10 centimeter, if I am putting it on 5 centimeter, so this is half the point. Here also 15 centimeter is here, so we are putting a point on 7.5 centimeter. So this is the midpoint of this line and this is the midpoint of this line. If we draw a line here, then from the basic proportionality we are clear that this line is, because in the ratio of 2 is to 3, this is parallel to this line, while the length of this line will be half of BC, or the length of this will become 10 centimeter. Then, or the midpoint theorem is if we join the midpoints of two sides of any triangle, and this new side or new line is definitely parallel to third side and half of it. As we already know that we have divided it in the ratio of half to half, so this will be half of this line. This is known as midpoint theorem, which is a specific case of basic proportionality theorem. In the next classes, we will solve the questions based on these theorems.